it's over. Yeah, I think I'm getting older, 'cause I can waste away the days without the things I wish I'd say. But then we blink and it's over. So maybe I should put my heart out on the table and fuck it if it breaks. And maybe I've been hiding from what I'm afraid of, but I don't wanna wait. No, I don't wanna. I'm always running so I can't get close to you. But we don't got a lot of time to lose, and all I want is to finally be honest. Yeah, I'm always running, but my feet lead back to you. Go ahead and say it, what you want, I'm right here waiting. 'Cause we can waste away the nights without the things we hold inside until we go ahead and say them. So maybe I should put my heart out on the table and fuck it if it breaks. And maybe I've been hiding from what I'm afraid of, but I don't wanna wait. No, I don't wanna. I'm always running so I can't get close to you. But we don't got a lot of time to lose, and all I want is to finally be honest. Yeah, I'm always running, but my feet lead back to you.
Hi guys, today I'm in Seoul Park in middle of Seoul. So this is my first time I visit here. So this is the name of Seoul Soup. You can read Seoul is next to the Seoul Soup, Seoul Forest, Seoul Soup. Park station by next line.